Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will make the world famous Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Why always depend on a restaurant to eat biryani? Why not making at home? So watch the video till end and follow all the steps and you will have Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani at home. So let's start. And friends, those who are new to my channel, not subscribed, please hit the subscription button for upcoming videos. So here I have taken 1 kg chicken with bone. Add salt. Add 2 to 3 pinches extra because this masala will go with the rice again. 4 to 5 finely chopped green chillies. 1 lime juice. 2 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala or biryani masala, handful of mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 500 grams of yogurt or dahi. Mix them well. Now add red chilli powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon here. You can add it as per your spicy level. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 star anise. 1 stone flower. 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon stick and 1 Javentri. Now add 2 tablespoon oil. Here I am using the same oil in which I have fried the onion. Mix it well. And add handful of fried onion. Now rest this chicken for at least 1 to 2 hours, but I have refrigerated for overnight. If you have time, you can refrigerate the chicken for overnight or at least 5 to 6 hours. Now boil water in a big container. Add salt. Remember, this water has to be salty like sea water. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 Javentri, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms and 1 stone flower. Add some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, some fried onion and half teaspoon garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon oil and let this water boil for a minute. Now add your soaked basmati rice. I have soaked the rice for 20 to 30 minutes. Give a gentle stir and let the rice cook 50 to 60%. As you can see, it is cooked 50 to 60%. Now strain the water from the rice. And keep this rice aside. Now heat 4 tablespoon oil in a heavy bottom pot. And add the same whole spices which we have added in chicken and rice. 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 Javentri, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 stone flower, half teaspoon Shah Jeera. Basically, I have divided the whole spices into 3 parts and used them in different stages. Now add the marinated chicken. I am placing them one by one so that each piece can touch the bottom. Like this, you can keep all your chicken pieces at the bottom and add if any remaining masala is there. Now we'll add our first layer of rice. Here I have taken 1 kg of rice, so I'll make it into 2 layers. Spread them properly. I have soaked 10 to 15 saffron or kesar in little milk. So I'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of that. Remember, saffron milk is completely optional. Now add handful of fried onion. Add some mint leaves. Some coriander leaves. Half lime juice. And I'll add my second layer of rice. Now again the same process. We'll spread the rice properly. Add 2 teaspoons saffron milk. Handful of fried onion. Some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, half lime juice, and add 2 to 3 teaspoons ghee on top. Cover the lid. If your lid has any hole, then cover it with some dough so that the steam won't go out. And also put some weight on top. Now the cook timing, it's 5 minutes on high flame, 5 minutes on medium flame and 20 minutes on low flame. The homemade Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani is ready to serve. You can serve it with some raita, onion and lemon. So friends, do try this recipe and share this video with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to my channel for my support and motivation. See you next with some more interesting and delicious recipes.